Probably wasn't smart enough to make it.
Wait, let's see if we can see him. Is he crying? Looks like he teared up over there.
He's the first one through now.
No, he's probably gonna wait for Freddy, so he'll probably be another one behind.
Good, who knows who Freddy is?
We're definitely going to ditch Chris once we get to the top, right?
Yeah. Chris, try to keep up. But don't feel bad.
Oh gosh, feel that air getting colder and colder. Oh, and snowboarding.
I guess I was trying to look like the good guy waiting for Freddy when he just proved it, but it's only because he barely missed this one.
It's okay. Freddy will find out later.
It's gonna be a while, Tyler. You did the thing.
See Alex. He's that guy over there.
$60. Yeah, he's alive. Quiet, Bear Claw.
You can get him cheaper on those though.
Whenever you like.
It's gonna be awesome, actually.
I don't know. I don't have super on me right now. Probably around 9. I'm not gonna know until later tonight.
Man, if I didn't make it on
You guys like it? Yeah. Yeah.
That was funny. We're not trying to go fast.
I should have brought gum.
yeah, wasn't that guy was like stepping and I was like, oh, get out of the
I
way.
have some in my jacket. Oh, I may ask to borrow some later, or to have some later, please. I want some gum. Well, not just yet. We're gonna eat first, okay?
Tell me all.
Make you up high. Yes, honey, we are going up very high. That's fun. The building's getting smaller and smaller.
What?
Chris, Matt said don't scoot off.
Oh, look, there goes the other one.
Hey, Chris is pretty high on
Fast.
Apparently he's still hot too.
We're gonna do that too. We're gonna write this down when we leave, okay?
Really fast?
Yeah, really fast, babe.
Oh, dude, Dennis, ask them to roll down the windows so they can let you smoke.
No, I got mad at you.
Freddy was on crying.
Dude, I was crying too when she stopped.
Yeah, but it's still, well, Tyler actually told me something. I was going to stop you saying. Tyler told me to stop.
Can you help me?
No, God.
Wait, what were you saying?
He might lose his best man spot.
Why? What was he saying?
Because Dennis was smoking in the car and Freddy was getting upset.
Can't believe how tiny that's getting. How tiny everything is getting. The Aleska ski resort. On the tram with the totally loud noises. Laura! Shayna's no whining. Please, I beg you.
That was mine.
Oh.
What? Oh!
People?
God.
Oh, wow.
Here's us, Matt. We're going to be cruising across the north face. You're going to be all tired.
Look at how like cautious people are getting.
Say what? Oh my God, I can't believe he's standing there. Oh my God, is he gonna go down that? Oh my God. I'm sorry. I was thinking
Later on,
the same
that'll
thing.
tire us out.
These people are insane.
I've got another choice
Okay,
here.
maybe. You can do it if you want. My helmet's not loose without that.
Okay, we're about to exit now. We're like raising up a little bit to get in.
It's probably better that way.
So you're probably
Current time is about 2:38.